Hello, and welcome to the Excel High School and Washington Online Learning Institute dual enrollment informational video. And in this video, we're going to talk about a lot of information related to dual enrollment here at Excel High School, partnered with Washington Online Learning Institute. There are a lot of reasons why students might want to do dual enrollment, and some of those reasons are that dual enrollment offers students an opportunity to earn college credits and even potentially a career or undergraduate certificate while taking classes towards earning their high school diploma. This type of program is for capable students who want to challenge themselves by taking college level classes online that simultaneously count for both their high school diploma as well as towards a college certificate. A college certificate is a great stepping stone to either a bachelor's degree or to show a potential employer that you already possess skills specific to a certain job. Also, students are able to potentially earn college credit while still attending high school. So let's talk about who qualifies for dual enrollment. So dual enrollment is available to all our juniors, seniors, and adults if they meet both of these qualifications. The first one is that the student has either a 3.0 GPA or they pass the college readiness AccuPlacer test. If you satisfy either of these, that's the first requirement. And then the other requirement is just to have 11 or more credits to be that junior class status. If you reach both of those requirements, then you're eligible for dual enrollment. For our sophomore students, the qualifications for them are that they need to have a 3.0 GPA and pass the college readiness AccuPlacer test. They will also need to have 5 or more credits earned already, which would be sophomore class status. There are a number of different certificates and different programs that are offered here through Excel High School and Washington Online. Some of the examples of the career certificates that we offer are a Microsoft Office Specialist certificate or even a medical billing and coding certificate program. There's even a lot of undergraduate certificates, which are great options for students looking to go to college, potentially transfer credits over, or even to go straight into the workforce, including a national paralegal program, healthcare administration, marketing, economics, and more programs. For the full list of programs, we'll show you where that's all listed on our site in just a moment. Now, the cost for dual enrollment is different depending on where you're at in your education. For pricing, refer to where you are on the table here, whether you're a sophomore, junior, senior, or adult student. There's a couple notes I want to make related to this chart. One of them is that the sophomore tuition is the base $1,290 for the regular school year. And then depending if you take 1 or 2 additional college classes through the dual enrollment program, there'll be an additional fee for those classes. Additionally, note that the cost for our juniors and for our adults covers both the 11th and 12th grades. And tuition has the opportunity to be paid across 10 months to help break up those payments for families. Students may wonder what some of the differences are between high school classes and college classes. And for any student who's ever taken an accelerated class, it's going to be a similar jump in skill level, such as between a standard high school class and an accelerated high school class. So you'll expect to see additional rigor, potentially more reading, potentially more challenging reading, potentially more assignments, and potentially longer assignments, depending on the class. You'll also expect to have some higher expectations. While 60% is the minimum threshold for passing for high school classes, college classes have a 70% minimum passing threshold. And additionally, the timeline for completion for each is different. Any high school classes, students are able to complete across 12 months, while any college courses will follow the college schedule and need to be completed within 8 months. Extensions are available for each of these, but these are the standard timelines of completion. All of our classes are available as a single class as well. Washington Online offers over 70 3-credit college level courses in various areas of study. These individual courses are available to students who'd like to supplement their education with these individual college classes. As for our transfer credit acceptance policy, Washington Online is a regionally accredited post-secondary institution, and any credits earned through Washington Online or our ACE classes will transfer to all of our partner schools. Now, it should be noted that college credits earned may not transfer to all colleges. No college can guarantee that their credits will transfer to some other specific college without an articulation agreement. So if you're curious if your credits would transfer to a college that you have in mind, feel free to check with that college or to check out the list of our partner schools who will accept those credits right on our website. And if you're looking for more information, check out the dual enrollment page with the most up-to-date list of programs and information on our website. On the Excel High School website, scroll over courses and then scroll down to dual enrollment. And that's all here from Excel and Washington Online. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or a chat on our website, and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks. We look forward to working with you.